Mic check, mic check, mic check. There we go, there we go. Normally I would have been on by now, but I had to get my coffee and breakfast here. All the indicators are saying down. Sorry. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. I'm back. So I think it's gonna go down to like
order filled.
Go ahead and try to short here. Down to 26.91.
Order filled.
Okay, got that. Still gonna go long at 26.91, which is right about now.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. It's got to come out of this green zone here. Hey, everybody. Sorry, I got a late start, so I'm trying to make some cash real quick. All right, we went long at 26.91. Good move. Sorry, y'all got to listen to me eat my breakfast. What's going on, Common? What's going on, Mike? What's good? We got him. It's going to keep on coming down here. G-Rax was good. Man, just trade ES right now. What you got going on? I eat my breakfast, man. I got a late start. Yes, sir. That is what we're here for, man. I always recommend paper trading for a little bit, but eventually you got to go ahead and jump in that water because paper trading is not real money. So you may develop, I'm not saying you have, but you could develop some bad habits because it's like you don't really care about the money. But when it's your actual money, that's a little different. All right, y'all, we waiting for a bounce off of 26.91. And what I'm doing, I'm trading ES, micro ES. I like the action of it. We can get a nice little pump right here. Come on, man, give me a pump now. I mean, I think that's probably the hardest part of trading, man. I think the key to learning that is being more disciplined, being a disciplined trader. I recommend getting the book A Disciplined Trader. Forgot who wrote it. But it just mostly speaks about discipline, mostly speaks about your self. I don't, there's some trading knowledge in there, but you know what I'm saying? A lot of it is yourself, man. That's what we as traders battle every day. Getting, learning when enough's enough on both ends. When I've taken too much of a L, yeah, see,
Order
gonna take
filled.
that. We're gonna go and take that. We're gonna go and take that right there. See, like right there, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I want this green candle to, but you can't see it because I'm on the 1 hour chart, but I trade on the 5 minute chart. But, I want it to go to the moon, but I'll take a little jump, little lift off. You know what I'm saying? I don't gotta be on the whole flight. Just let me see the takeoff and I'm out. I'm sorry if I'm smacking y'all. Like I said, I had a late start. I have to take my kids to school on Fridays. Well, I have to do something with them every day, but Friday is a little longer for me. And then I stopped by to pick up some quick breakfast, but they end up taking like 20 minutes. So yeah, see, it's taking off. I think it's gonna come back a little bit into this equilibrium or discount zone, the green zone right here. So we'll wait on that. I don't want to jump in right now, and I'm doing a lot of scalping too, Mike. So um, definitely not doing anything long term. I think my average trade, I made like that one. I just stayed in 3 minutes and 49 seconds, and the one before that was 29 seconds. Um, so yeah, I'm not trying to. I'm doing scalp. I'm scalping a lot. I may, if I really feel the direction, I may jump in and go, go for longer. If the trend is kind of confirmed, but right now it's ranging, so meaning it can go up and down, up and down, up and down. Appreciate the sub, Marvin's. Um, appreciate the sub. Um, it can go, it can go either way. You know what I'm saying? It's like rocky water. It's nothing smooth right now. And as you can see, my indicators on the 5 minute chart, on the 15 minute chart, I'm sorry, 30 minute chart. And I need to fix that because I added something, but on the 30 minute chart, it's kind of oversold. So it's showing up, but overall we got a downtrend going on here. So, um, but again, it's pumping right now. I may buy 3 at this level if it comes back to that level, which is 66.98. The close of the last 5 minute candle. Let's see if we come back there. Another key to Mike is patience. And never feel like you missed out. That last trade is not gonna make or break you. That's what a lot of people think. They see it going up and they're like, "Oh man, I missed the boat. Let me jump in." and then all of a sudden the boat sinks and you lose money. And then you do that enough times, you lose confidence. You don't know what's gonna happen. All right, see, it came back. It's coming back to 66.98.
Order filled.
Got my order filled. I'm going long here. Going against the trend, but we won't lose too much here. Let me fix this. Okay, hold on. Do we want it to go down or up? I mean, in my case,
Order filled.
profit there. So I can answer your question. In my case, I mean, so does it work? Do y'all want it to go down or up like the chart thing? I mean, you can make money, but like, what's the saying? Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So that means a bull is, you want it to go up. A bear, you want it to go down. So if you're a bull, you're going to go what they call long on a position or buying the position. And, a bear strikes down, a bull strikes up. So a bear, you're going to go short or sell the position. A pig is just like I was telling Mike, a pig just jumps in when he feels like he's going to miss out on something, when there's enough to go around for everyone. So a pig jumps in and he gets slaughtered. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't really know what he's doing because when he jumps in and it go, because he's sitting back waiting. Oh, it went up. Let me jump in, and then now it's going down. So he sells, and then it goes back up. So he jumps in, and before you know it, you're down big, because every position you got in was a losing position. So that's hopefully that answers your question. Was that Lonnie? Yeah, hopefully that answers your question. You know what I'm saying? And this is when you're trading futures. I probably need to be specific. Futures. And again, this is not financial advice. This stream is for entertaining and educational purposes only. Make sure you do your own research. Got to get that disclaimer out there. But I'm trading futures, so I can short a position and sell or buy a position, meaning go long. So but if you're buying stocks, of course you want it to go up. You want to, unless you're trading options, which gives you the same thing as same options as a future, if that makes sense. But do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Just don't. I'm giving you kind of like the 30,000 foot level view answers, whatever you want to call it. Welcome CR, welcome Joe. But make sure you do your own research. Easy topics to Google, easy topics to YouTube, all that good stuff. Hit the link in my bio. I got on YT. I got some stuff you can check out and watch and learn along with me, because I don't know it all. No problem. Yeah, definitely look into it. Do your own research. Never, trust, but verify. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, futures is unlimited trades. There's no limit. As far as I know, I could be wrong, but I mean, yesterday I probably did, 30 trades. You don't have the same, I guess, day trading. I don't know. Look into that. Because I'm not, um, as far as I know, Mike, there are no limits, but I could be wrong. Make sure you verify that though. If I get a couple seconds here, I'll Google it. Actually, let me do it right now. Yeah, so future trading is one of the few markets where PDT, which stands for pattern day trader rules, do not apply. So that's unlike stocks and options. So stocks and options, you'll have to worry about the day trader limits, which basically means you can't trade more than three. You can't buy and sell in the same day more than 3 times, or you get labeled a day trader, and you have to have like $25,000 in your account, or they lock it up. In futures trading, that limit does not apply. Yeah, see, I think I missed my boat here a little bit. We're gonna take a plane to the next stop, which I think is here where it goes down. So we're shorting at 6707 ish. 6707 ish. Yeah, it is very little, 3 trades. I mean, that goes back to the crash in 2008. You know what I'm saying? They put in all these laws to keep people from basically day trading. To me, is to keep, us retail traders that don't have like $25,000 laying around that we can play around with. A lot of people don't, you know what I'm saying? Some people do. I mean, it's becoming more common. I mean, 25,000 isn't a lot of money to, in the grand scale, but it's a lot for most people, to be honest. But so to me, it puts limits and caps on retail traders that are trying to get to that $25,000 limit. You know what I'm saying? Somebody may want to stack, $50 wins, you know what I'm saying, and get to, to get to those $25,000. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't have to have that much money to do your thing. That's just my
Order
opinion.
filled.
All right, so like I said, we shortened that 6707. I feel like it's gonna come back down. What is going on? See, I know I said short. Now I gotta wait till it goes back up. See, that's bull, man. I guess I hit the wrong button or something. It had me in a buy position. This would have been a perfect short at 6707. But I'm sideways. I'm the other way right now, and this might kill me here. I just need to get to a good get out position. Let me see some teams, and I'm out. Come on now, give me a pump. No Diddy. I missed it. Come on. I mean, I am. See, it's that greed kicking in.
Order filled.
Dang. I did that all wrong, man. I'm kind of mad right there. I think a lot has to do with the tariff situation. You know what I'm saying? Like the Trump is, I won't say the current administration. I'll just say Trump's administration is being a little like they're, no one can get a clear view of what they're gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So in my opinion, like that's causing a lot of people to get out. You know what I'm saying? And then, I don't know. It's just I think people are moving their money around. See, I should have stayed in. People are moving their money around, and like I said, that's causing the markets to it's causing a lot of volatility in the market. Like right now, it's ranging on a clear um on a clear you know uptrend on the 5 minute chart. You can kind of see a clear uptrend, but to answer your question without going into speculation, I just think there's it's just that a lot of people don't know how to speculate this market, so they're getting out. But then everyone that doesn't really know the information and just sees a candle, red or green, they're jumping in. You know what I'm saying? So, and then those guys that got out, like it to me, it's just like a cycle of manipulation. That's what I'll say. There's a lot of market manipulation going on right now. So you have to be careful when you trade this. I call it, well, it's called a ranging market. There's no clear trend. It's just like jumping out there on rocky water in a John boat. Um, so that's my opinion on why the market is doing what it's doing. What's going on, MVP or MTV? Man, I did that thing again where you hit. I wanted to short and hit buy. It cost me a little bit of early profits, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, man, for real. Yesterday it worked out for me. This today took me down. Sticky deals was good. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Oh man, my internet is doing that crap again, man. It's getting on my nerves. Sorry, I cut out. Pedro was good. Man, I need to find a toothpick. Something I could use as a toothpick. Let me see if I can use this. There we go. It's getting on my nerves. Yeah, it's real murky today. Turn on Bloomberg, see what's going on. Reason why I watch Bloomberg is because they tend to not be political. Like, see, definitely don't watch Fox Business. You'll lose a lot of money watching them. You can tell by the commercials. Say unable to play. What the hell? But and then CNBC, same thing. I mean, they tell some good stuff, but they got a few commentators that have a political swing to them. Bloomberg tends to be apolitical and just kind of stick to the market. I want to get in on this candle, but it's saying down. Let me see. It pumps back up like certain percentage, and I'm gonna get in. Then I'm gonna get in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got out of there. Almost at my target for the day. Might can start playing video games early. See, I knew it. So I'm gonna go long at 66.88 again.
Order filled.
Man, my internet went out and caught me in a trade at 359. Boy, it made me so mad. What? Unable to play. Put on my glasses. These videos cannot be played. Why?
Order filled.
Nice squat box it is. Bloomberg on here. I don't know. I guess their app is messed up. Yeah, it may be an early one, man. I'm up. I don't wanna even I don't wanna make a mistake or anything. I done caught a couple of these little candles up and down. Let me show you the 5-minute chart. These candles here, they look different on my trading platform, but yeah, man, I think I've caught every one of these candles in the right direction at the right number. And like I said, I spotted by using the 1 hour chart. Like we got a little pump coming here. I recently just added like the 2 minute so I can get kind of an earlier indication on the 5 minute. So yeah. See, that's why I'm not messing with options and stuff right now. Um, I got some, but I'm getting killed on them. Like I shorted all the. I don't know if I told you this yesterday, but I shorted all of the rare earth mineral stocks. I mean, they're doing good today, but I need them down. I shorted MP, USAR, um, METC. METC is the only one that isn't doing anything good for me right now. I got a Archer contract that closes today, down on that, virtually worthless. Um, I got a contract with a light, like the what's the name company, the benefits management company. I thought they were gonna do better. You know what I'm saying? I still got till the 21st on that one, but worthless right now. I bought some stuff. I bought Lucid killed me on the what is it on the stock split, like killed my option. So I'm just gonna hold that and hope. Bought some Nokia, bought some Palantir the other day, bought some Rainy, down on that. Uh, a few more, and I'm just underwater, man, in my portfolio. Not a lot, but to be concerned about. But um, I need some of these options to pay off. Like I got till next week on the MP stuff, so I need some positive news. Trump administration asked for emergency pause on Georgia's order to fully fund SNAP. Yeah, we already know about that. I need to find something to short on that, but yeah. So that's why I just kind of essentially closed my book in my stock portfolio and just say, man, it is what it is. Let me just try to make something in these in the future game. Yeah, man, it really brings bad habits to light. Like I have to like have a really disciplined strategy and really plan out my options instead of just going on impulse. Like that's not good. So that's why I say I just closed my book and I'm gonna I need to study more. I need to study more of what is my actual option strategy. And I'm trying to mix my option strategy with, a Discord that I'm on. This guy makes a killing on penny stocks. I ain't had that success. I ain't had the same results. So something's got to give. What's on this order book? A lot of sell on this order book. Everything's down. I probably short this again at the highest candle is 67.12. Let's see what happens there. Okay, there we go.
Order
67.12.
filled.
Let's go down. Oh, it's going up. I don't think it's got enough momentum. Okay, here we go. Let's go down. I said let's go down, brother. It may you have to close this one out. Break even.
Order filled.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Good break even. So, are we gonna run up to 67.19? I'm not gonna bet on it. It's like I said, man. This market is ranging. Let me turn on the indicator here. It's a 10 market. Okay, I think we got a little bit better indicators now. Still cutting down on you? Huh? It ain't working? Talking about that thing right there? It kept cutting out, so I got on the W. All right. Yeah, my internet is messing up, man. Like I said yesterday, it cost me a little bit of money here. While we waiting on something, man, let me go into the news. See if I can get a play here off of this. Yeah, the Nasdaq 100 set for the worst week since April. Since the April meltdown, if you remember that, I lost a lot of money there, and I didn't gain it back because I sold. So, it is what it is. Says the market Nasdaq 100 set for worst week, a risk-off week on Wall Street. Yeah, see though. So I know somebody asked me earlier, what's causing all the volatility? It's risk. Everybody doesn't want to take on the risk. So they're selling while the risky people are buying, and then they're losing, and then they sell. You know what I'm saying? I was shorting back during that, but I held a position too long, thinking it wouldn't. Yeah, man, it was worse. It got worse. It got bad. We were investment group that I'm in. We were in Palantir and Nvidia. And I want to say we had a pretty decent amount of shares because we got in Nvidia or Palantir at $20. Not early as some people, but it was really early, and we were up a lot. And then I think we let it come back down to 70 or 67 or something, and sold because everybody was saying, "Oh, it's going to 40, da 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 da," all this. And then I started seeing it go back up, but I won't say we put it on the back burner, but we just kind of like was afraid of it, and it ran. It's at what, to 200? So from $20, that's like 1,000, 2,000%. Or no, what is that? I don't know. It's a lot. Yeah, so risk is off this week. Scorpio was good. It's some Sizzler was good. I'm just scared of this market, man. I already hit my target right now. It's ranging. I don't see any clear. I kind of see a trend on the 5 minute chart, but everything else on the indicators is showing down. So we're gonna believe it, and well, we're gonna verify. We just gonna sit it out right now. So I don't have any numbers to call out right now because I don't want to lose money. Because if I call it out, I'm in. Only thing I can say is if it goes to 60, 67.19, I'm going to short from there. That's what I'm going to do. Again, not financial advice, as my screen says. I'm trying to get on the game early, man. Just as long as I see a good candle, good trend, I'm in. Man, what do y'all think about Musk getting $1 trillion Tesla payout? Like he's the first trillionaire, and probably a little more because he's already got what 400 billion. So he's almost at like worth $1.5 trillion. One person. I think is I don't think anyone needs that amount. I mean, when you were young, you like, oh man, I'm gonna be a trillionaire. I'm gonna be a trillionaire. Like this guy actually is a trillionaire. He said he's gonna build. I heard him a comment. He said he's gonna build hundreds of millions, if not a billion, robots. I was arguing with, not arguing, but debating or discussing. We weren't debating, or we're just kind of everybody taking in their own viewpoint. But like that's a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's a lot of robots. Like India has 1 billion people. So like you're talking about an army of robots that these guys are trying to build. That's a lot, man. So I mean, if you're invested in it, I'm sure it's good. If you're in a robotable job, it's probably not that good. And they got a way of controlling the robots. That's only gonna get, because I think Nvidia kind of gave the blueprint, and now they're going to everybody's gonna copy it, replicate it, make it better. But it's called the Omniverse. Do your research on the Omniverse. It's coming. No, I'm not coming. It's here. I think too what has the markets not so choppy is the Fed having their next, because everybody's expecting another rate cut, but it's not really guaranteed, or it ain't it's not the best bet in town that the rate is, they're gonna drop the rate, and it's all has a lot to do with employment, and we're not getting any jobs numbers. They got the jobless numbers some kind of way, I think from ADP, but they're not they're not government issued numbers, so anything can happen. Yeah, BlackRock's writer sees soft jobs market and wants a Fed rate at 3%. Anybody mess with the poly markets, like betting on weather? I seen a guy make, I can't remember how much it was, but it was a lot of money off of betting on the weather. Like I think we just failed as a society when we betting on the weather. Like it don't get no. We just all degenerate gamblers at this point. Yeah, man, it's all over the place now, bro. It's getting bad, doc. See, ain't really nothing going on. All the markets are down. S&P 500 is down 0.6. The Nasdaq is down almost a point. I think that's a British 500 or something like that is down zero point 0.6 almost. U.S. Treasury is coming in at 4. Gold is up. Not not as it's still down a little bit from yesterday, but it's up this morning. The euro is up. The pound over the dollar is up. So the dollar is losing value. Angel was good. Crypto. Crypto's down. You see what kind of promises Musk is making. He's saying, yeah, he's saying these humanoid robots will progress from simple tasks like handing out bags of candy to performing surgery with beyond human levels of precision. So they're gonna deliver 20 million vehicles. Um, I don't know what FSD stands for. 10 million active FSD subscriptions. Then 1 million robots delivered. 1 million robo taxis in commercial operation. 50 billion adjusted EBITDA. 80 billion. So it's all a path for them to get to an $8.5 trillion market cap. Yeah, I mean there's a lot of promises. Like unless we all like, you know, they gotta figure out how they gonna give people money. Because if the robot's gonna take all the jobs, who's gonna have money to buy one? Or maybe is that the case that they giving us? Yeah, not a lot going on in the market, man. It's trading sideways, so to speak. Next hour is pretty much flat. I'm sorry, this past hour, the first hour is pretty much flat. This candle, what am I on? Yeah, the first hour was down a little bit, 9:30 to or 9 to 10. Now we're in the 10 o'clock hour. It's pretty much flat. It's been an hour in 1 minute since the market opened. Not a lot going on. Jake's was good. Oh man. Appreciate the likes, J Reef. Come on, man. We need some action. Take a look at NQ. NQ's. Let's see what NQ doing. Same thing, really. Not worth it to me. Let me see what gold was doing. Gold's moved to the downside of the VWAP. So probably trending down. Is it worth it? May was good. MTV, man. I'll be back, man. I'm gonna grab some water. Oh, get a pump down here. Just checking out some stocks that I'm been looking at. go long at 67, 66.82. Maybe 66, 84, 83.
Order filled.
I'm gonna short down to that number.
Order filled.
I didn't short all the way down to it, but
Order filled.
all right, hit that number. May go a little under it. I think I moved mine up to 66.86, I think. Let's get a bounce here. Appreciate the follow, Ernest. Come on, let's get a bounce. Get a bounce. You're going too low. I figured they'd probably dip a little more into this. I didn't want to miss it. So my target is 66.93. On this next pump, I may just close out.
Order filled.
Got out of that one. It's probably gonna run, but hey. I still think it'll get to my called out target of 66.93 or 4.
Order filled.
Going back in at 66.85. 85-ish, something like that. Whatever this pump gives me, I'm just gonna take it. It's coming here in a couple seconds. It may go down. May have to get out of this. Break even. Come on. I probably need to break even on here. I mean, it's gonna come out of this green area. I mean, in my opinion, not financial advice, but speculation. Mm. Let me move my stop loss down so I don't get a BS stop. Yeah, I'm just looking for a break even on this, because everything's turned red. Either a break even or soft landing. I mean, I'm confident, but I'm impatient. There we go. I should have took the soft landing there. Actually, I could just reverse the position, but as soon as I do that, it's gonna give me the pump that I've been waiting for. One was good. I didn't want to go down this much. I should have been more patient, but we'll find a soft landing here or a reversal. Come on, man, with the BS. I didn't even need this trade. I don't know why I got in this. Man, I could not find a soft landing for this dang on trade. I shouldn't have got in. I think $40 is gonna be my exit. BS detector was good. Come on, man, with the BS. Lord have mercy, bro. I gotta get out of this trade. Oh boy. keeps getting worse and worse. Oh boy. No way this is gonna stay this far away from the VWAP, man. This is market manipulation right here, bro. I'm telling you. Man, it's a good place to go long now. I'm so far underwater right now. There's no way it can keep going down like this, man. There's too much of a gap to fill. Fuck. Look at this, man. Look at this. Good long, MTV. Good long. I just said bump it. If I crap out at 66.36, and my target is 67.40. Yes, sir. Good job, good job, good job. Look like it may rebound. Look like it may hit the low for the day, hopefully. It's a strong low, is what it's saying, 85%. So yeah, the 2 minutes up. So I seen some life at the on the 1 minute. chart. So hopefully all of this stuff turns green. I guess it's basically saying like that. Um, just basically like let me see if I can explain it. Like this change of character right here, and it's kind of like in a discount zone. So I guess it basically just gives it a rating of buyers to sellers, if I can explain it. That explains it. It's like a a ratio that or a percentage saying that most of the sellers are tapped out, and it's probably saying that this is the low it's gonna go for the short term. I won't say it forever, but that's pretty much what it's saying. Um, you say you use Lux Algo, right? Yeah, if you go, they have like a free one and a premium one. Um, if you go in your indicators and just type in Lux Algo, it's on there. Pull up a blank chart. Hold on. You can see it. But like you go to the indicators at the top and choose the Lux Algo, and you got the price action concept. Or I'm sorry, you have which one is it? It's the I think they have it on fair value gap. But I use the premium ones, the premium subscription with them. Um, which it's worth it. I mean, it may be a little expensive, but it's worth it for sure. Man, we just gotta get out of this discount zone, man. There's got to be enough people buying, ready to move, the market, man. It ain't doing nothing. Cause now they're like all of a sudden talking about inflation. Chris Crypto was good. Kimmy Kim was good. Me, I'm underwater right now. I went long at 66.85. I'm about 10 points, 11 points under. No, 9 points under right now, which I don't like. I should have cut my losses a long time ago. What's good, SP 500? Also called Kev. What's good? Man, I had an early day, man, and one trade made me have to do overtime, boy. Getting on my nerves. Come on, man, get out of this zone. Dang. I gotta take a break. This trade blowing me one.
Order filled.
Well, thank you, Lord. MTV, but I finally got up out of that dang on trade. Finally, boy. Softest landing I could. It was. Yeah, you made up, boy. You made off like a fat rat. I needed that pump to get back the break even. That one I had to go take a nap off of that. I had to take a nap off of that, cuz. I gotta change the music on that one, boy. Ooh, now I can trade. Oh, is we gonna keep going up?
Order filled.
See if I can catch a little something.
Order filled.
I switched down to a 30-minute chart because this one's hard to see. Yeah, man, appreciate you, bro. I wish I would have caught your call out, man, but I appreciate that, man. Appreciate you for rocking with me, bro. Have a good weekend. It's been a good last couple days, man. Way to finish the week out, bro. I like trading with you, brother. Yes, sir. Have a good weekend, though. Yeah, I'm about to call it here in a few minutes too. I don't want to get caught up again. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna call it for the week. It's been a heck of a week. Um, Appreciate everybody that rocked with me. You know what I'm saying? And we just finna do our thing. We had to sleep our way through a big dip, but we got out of it. We made a little bit more profit. You know what I'm saying? So that's about all I got, man. That's about all I got for the day, for the week. Gonna go enjoy the rest of my weekend. It starts now. Let's go. I think it might be a kid-free weekend. Not sure. Not that I, not that I'm not sad because of that. I may come back and make me a couple trades later, but they will be offline. And remember next week starts the new format. You know what I'm saying? I continue to give you guys live trading every day. On Mondays and Fridays, if you may not catch me until like 8:30 ish, something like that. But other days I should be on by 7:30. You know what I'm saying? Try to catch those early trades. And then on Monday and Wednesday and Friday evenings, we'll have the re-report. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you check me. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell. Hit that link in the bio. You know what I'm saying? So you know when I go live, and all that good stuff, man. Shout out to my peoples. Shout out to your peoples, and we'll get with you. Peace.